Look at your hands right now, just for a moment, and be honest with yourself. What do you see? Those dark spots, the wrinkles, and the thinning skin. These aren't just minor details. They're the truth that quietly reveals your age. No matter how much you spend on face creams or skincare, your hands never lie. How many times have you tried to hide your hands or avoided wearing a ring because attention goes straight to them? You're told they're just age spots and that the only solution is expensive laser treatments. But the truth is completely different. Because there's a simple, inexpensive oil used for decades that might already be in your home, and it can give you a real chance to restore the look of your hands. But before you use it, there's something you need to understand. These brown spots aren't just surface level. Their real name is lipofuscin, and they're cellular waste that builds up over time inside the skin. They're not external dirt. They're a biological memory of aging, accumulating year after year and going deeper beneath the surface. That's why most creams fail, because they only work on the surface. And here's the point that changes everything. The solution isn't just hydration. It's reaching the layer where the problem actually exists. This is where a very old oil comes in, used for thousands of years and known for its powerful properties. Castor oil. Its strength isn't a myth, it's in its composition. It contains ricinoleic acid at levels up to 85 to 90%, a rare component that helps penetrate the outer layer of the skin, soften it, and improve the environment for renewal. But it doesn't work fully on its own. Because the real issue isn't just the spot, it's the buildup of dead skin cells that block any treatment from reaching deeper layers. And here's the mistake everyone makes: applying the oil directly to unprepared skin. The result? Just temporary shine, with no real effect. The solution starts here. You must first remove that invisible barrier, not in a harsh way, but using something very simple: lemon. The citric acid in lemon helps break down dead skin cells and soften the outer layer, allowing the oil to work effectively. When you mix a few drops of lemon juice with castor oil, you're not creating a random mixture. You're preparing the skin strategically. Apply the mixture to clean hands with gentle massage for about 3 minutes. A mild warming sensation is normal, but if you feel burning, stop immediately. Very important. This mixture should be used at night only, and no more than twice a week, because citrus increases the skin's sensitivity to sunlight. Now we reach the secret no one tells you. If you leave the oil on your hands without protection, you'll wake up with dry hands, because fabric absorbs the oil. The solution is simple but critical. Wear cotton gloves while sleeping. This step isn't optional. It's what makes the treatment actually work. The gloves retain heat, reduce evaporation, and create a closed environment that allows gradual absorption throughout the night. It's not magic, it's simple physics used intelligently. During these hours, the real work begins. Your body's natural warmth helps the oil penetrate deeper, while baking soda, when added in small amounts, works as a fine exfoliant that helps remove surface pigmentation. But be careful, this step is a double-edged sword. Overuse or improper use can damage the skin. Don't use it more than twice a week, and don't apply it on irritated skin. If your skin is sensitive, there's a more balanced option. Use aloe vera gel first to hydrate and calm the skin. Then apply castor oil to lock in moisture and enhance the effect. This combination can give noticeable results without irritation. If you're looking for stronger results, there's a more advanced option: castor oil plus rosehip oil. The first nourishes and enhances penetration, while the second supports cell renewal and gradually improves skin tone. Using this combination 2 to 3 times per week can improve texture and color within 4 to 6 weeks. But despite all this, there are mistakes that can destroy your results. First mistake: ignoring sunscreen. After treatment, the skin becomes more sensitive, and without protection, the spots may return darker. Second mistake: using large amounts. More doesn't mean faster results. It means irritation and more pigmentation. Third mistake: inconsistency. Your skin needs a routine, not random use. The final truth: The problem isn't the product, it's the method. If you follow the right steps, you'll get real results. If you ignore them, no product, no matter how expensive, will help. Now the decision is yours. Will you keep ignoring it or start making a real change today? Write oil in the comments, not for me, but as a commitment to yourself that you'll start. And if this information helped you, hit like, subscribe so you don't miss practical, effective content, and share this video with someone who thinks the problem is the product when the truth is in the method.